backstabber, around Big D, Dallas. Good evening, backstabber, blind rooster with a wave right back.
Charlie, flying rooster. I guarantee most of you got it going on, man. You sound like a local, no doubt about it. Good evening to you, flying rooster. Backstabber, man, this old school station, 22 Galaxy 300 is getting on down.
410, Mr. Backstabber, that old school station rocking in my tobacco fields. Backstabber, 73, love to the family, big brother. Ain't nobody but your blind rooster around Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm waving and getting up.
And that's my Roger, blind rooster. All right, there, blind rooster. Blind rooster, Peter Gunn is standing by.
Hello, Peter Gunn. Hello, Mr. Peter Gunn. Why you standing by? Blind rooster with a wave right back.
Yeah, he is right there, blind rooster. No pain, no strain, man. 2010 to you and the fine family up on that cotton picking in. Blind rooster worldwide. Peter Gunn, touchdown, Louisiana with the wave is getting on down.
Right back, Mr. Worldwide. Peter Gunn, 2010 wave right back to you, big brother. Blind rooster and these cackalackies I'm reading this mail.
Yeah. Okay, blind rooster. Take care, be well, man. Mr. Worldwide, Peter Gunn, almighty God, west side of Louisiana is getting on down.
Bump, Mr. Peter Gunn, blind rooster go. Bad Habit. Hello, Mr. Bad Habit in Texas. Good evening, big brother. Bad Habit. Blind rooster with a wave right back. Right back, Mr. Bad Habit in Dallas. Go on, do that homework with the 44. Bad Habit. I'll get back with you. Blind rooster in the tobacco fields reading this mail. Oh, T-Bird. Oh, Mr. T-Bird, blind rooster with a wave.
Well, we want to wave back at you there. Hope you're having a good day. Go ahead.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hope I sound half as good as you do, too, T-Bird, coming in my tobacco fields all loud and proud like that.
Well, man, I'll tell you, it rained here for 2 days straight, all day and all night. Things are flooding down here. Pastures are full, ponds are full. Camels wearing galoshes. I'm telling you, it's tough down here right now. Take care, Mr. Blind Rooster, T-Bird. Bill Jones Pool Hall. Plug Texas. I'm out.
Hey, T-Bird, we starting to get a little rain up here in the tobacco fields, man. It's supposed to last a couple of days, too, so I guess we're catching what you've been had. T-Bird, have a blessed day. Blind Rooster, Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm reading this mail.
Well, I hope you get it there. I definitely do. We've had about 25 or 6 inches in the last 3 months. Of course, we needed it, so we'll take it. Catch you later, Blind Rooster, T-Bird. I'm out.
Alright, Mr. T-Bird, I keyed it down one more time, let you know I got it all, because you said it all. T-Bird, 73, love to the family. Blind Rooster go.
All right, man.